In this video, How to Connect on LinkedIn, I will show you step by step how to add a connection on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name of the person you want to connect with. Click on the person's profile from the search results. Now find the button called Connect. Click this button to send a connection request. You can add a personalized message if you want. Write a short and professional message. After that, click Send to send the invitation. The person will receive a notification about your request. Once the person accepts, you will become connections. Now, you can send direct messages to this person. You will also see updates from their profile. This is how you can grow your professional network on LinkedIn.